Our next award is in the field of advertising and marketing, Best Business Provider of the Year, B2B Services and Digital Marketing, Mr. Mitil Kumar, founder and CEO of India Trade Port. You have a huge set of fans sitting out there.
Kumar, many congratulations once again. Many congratulations once again. Our next award is in the sector of law.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. I, Anchor Neha Srivastava, standing with a gentleman. What's your good name, sir?
Mitil Kumar.
Sir, would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Well, as you know that my name is Mitil Kumar and I'm the CEO and founder of India Trade Port. Basically, company belongs to the business industry where we provide services to all the manufacturers and suppliers, and we help them to connect with the good customers and potential customers who are interested in their business and all. And our tagline is satisfaction is everything, which means that in the market, everyone can ready to spend the money, but there is no guarantee for the satisfaction. So we are here to provide them the satisfaction in terms of investment, in terms of business growth in all the manners.
Oh, that's great,
That's
sir. Also, you got the award. Could you please tell me about your award?
Yeah, well, I'm very much, happy for this award, and I'm also very much, appreciate this Bizox company who, provide me this opportunity to introduce my company in front of all of you. And thanks for this award. This means a lot for me. Thank you.